Unraveling the phrase, out of air, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, out of air. This expression might conjure up images of someone gasping for breath, but does it only refer to the literal sense of not having any air to breathe? Let's take a deep breath and find out together what this phrase really means, how to use it, and look at some examples in everyday conversation and writing. Stick around to expand your vocabulary and understand idiomatic expressions in English with ease. When we say someone is out of air, the literal meaning is exactly what you picture. A person or an animal has no more air to breathe or is in dire need of oxygen. This could happen if you're underwater for too long or in an enclosed space with no ventilation. However, out of air can also be used metaphorically. As an idiom, it means to run out of energy, enthusiasm, or resources. In this context, it doesn't have anything to do with the actual air we breathe but uses the concept of air to symbolize something essential that is lacking or exhausted. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use out of air in different contexts. 1. Literal usage. 2. After swimming for 5 minutes straight, I was completely out of air and had to come up to the surface. 3. The room was so stuffy that I felt like I was out of air. 4. Idiomatic usage. 5. I've been working on this project for 18 hours straight, and I'm totally out of air. I need a break. 6. After the long race, the runner seemed out of air, barely able to speak from exhaustion. In these sentences, out of air either describes the physical need for oxygen or the depletion of another necessary element, like energy or motivation. Now it's your turn. Think of scenarios where you can use out of air, both literally and figuratively. Try to make your own sentences, and if you're comfortable, share them with friends or in the comments below our video. Practicing with new phrases is a great way to make them part of your active vocabulary. I hope this video has enlightened you on the meaning of out of air and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding idioms is key to becoming fluent in English and helps you sound like a native speaker. So, take every opportunity to practice what you've learned and keep your language skills as sharp as a tack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, and never be afraid to be out of ideas. There's always something new to discover in English.